score as good as I should have, but I think what Allah gave me is the best for me. Indeed, He's the best of planners, and I think school is not only the place where you put grades only by memorizing the books. It's the place who makes us, who builds our personalities, who makes us able to differentiate between what's right and what's wrong, and which makes us able to face the world. And this school, this place, literally taught us everything. And our principal guided us in a great way through this journey. I think not all principals are like her, because she is different from others. She is indeed a great lady. She is managing all the things in a great way. Usually the principals are only confined to their offices and not available 24/7. But she is the one that whenever we need her, whenever we face any difficulty, any problem, we went to her without any fear, without any hesitation, and she guided us in every way possible. Thank you so much, ma'am, for all you did. She is managing all the things in a great way with the help of her staff, my teachers. Ma'am, you all mean so much to me. Thank you so much, ma'am. First of all, our class teacher, I don't know where is she. Yes, ma'am Sadia Rani.
Huge cheers to Ms. Sadia Rani.
She is truly a Rani. Although the bell of her period made her heart beat so fast due to fear, but I think we wouldn't have been able to learn the physics without her. She is the one who emphasized us, who bring out the best in us. Now we all miss that, because now there is no one in the college who has her back like she did. Thank you so much, ma'am. Dear ma'am Zunaira, our chemistry and biology teacher, although she is not here with us and we all are missing her so much, but she is also a very sweet teacher. She's a very calm personality. I don't ever think that she ever shouted at us. Maybe she did, but I don't remember. But one thing which I will always remember of her is that whenever she gets irritated, she used to say that मैं अभी नाराज हूँ, मैं अभी गुस्सा हूँ, मुझसे बात नहीं करो. It seems so cute. Then comes our sweet teacher, ma'am Shalley. As her name is Shalley, so she is sweet like Shalley.
Please come up on the stage.
She is as sweet as the sweet sugar in a cup of tea. Sometimes she did the role of Molajek as well, but mostly she did the role of sweet sugar. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then ma'am Iram. Ma'am
Iram, please come up on the stage.
Ma'am, I am very bad at Park Studies. I don't like this subject, but from you, I studied very well. You taught us in a great way. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then our teacher, ma'am Tasleem and ma'am Aisha Iram, although they are not my subject teachers, but they are so sweet and caring. One thing which I will always remember of ma'am Aisha Iram is that she used to say, बेटे मेहनत कभी जाया नहीं जाती. जरूरी नहीं कि आपको मेहनत का सिला अच्छे grades की सूरत में मिले.
Please come up on the stage.
She always used to say that मेहनत कभी जाया नहीं जाती और ज़रूरी नहीं आपको मेहनत का सिला अच्छे ग्रेड्स की सूरत में ही मिले. कभी कभी अल्लाह ताला उस मेहनत का सिला आपको बाद में किसी ऐसी जगह पे देता है जहाँ उस चीज़ की आपको ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. And in fact she said right. Thank you so much, ma'am. one and only Ma'am Munazza. Please come up on the stage. I have no words, literally no words for her. I think she is truly a blessing to not to me but to the whole Amaranth. I think because Allah has blessed her with a great knowledge and she also instilled us in a great way. Her teaching style was so influential that we will never forget the things which she taught us. At the end of 10th, I was so physically and mentally upset, and there the time comes when I thought that I am not capable of giving the board exams this year, but she is the one who picked me up when I fell down. She gave me hope, she gave me courage, and made me able to give the exams. Ma'am, I have no suitable words for you to say thank you. Thank you so much. Then comes Ma'am Sadia Dastagi.
Let's welcome and Sadia in huge round of applause.
She is just like a second mother to me because she understands us like no one else. She was our maths teacher. Although we didn't like maths, but we loved her so much that we strive for better results in order to make her happy. Although at the end we couldn't get good grades like you expected from us, but ma'am, we tried. Sorry, ma'am. Thank you so much. And at the last, there were my classmates. You guys are best. We have spent a great time together. Our laughs and cries, those stupidities, those little cute fights, now all become memories. With sometimes put smiles in our face, and sometimes our eyes filled with tears by remembering them. We have spent a great time together when we all get so attached to each other, and then what? Then our school life